Hey guys, wanted to go over firmware updates, what those are and what those entail, and how to get those if you aren't automatically prompted. Usually when you connect to the auto agent, you're automatically going to be prompted to download any firmware updates. A firmware update to the auto agent is either going to be different features or functions that are available for vehicles, new vehicle support, bug fixes, anything like that. So here in the app, if you're not automatically prompted, I'm connected to the auto agent in this vehicle. You always have to be connected to the auto agent in order to update the firmware. We're going to go into settings. We're going to go into about. Here in about, we've got the firmware update. It shows us what our downloaded firmware is and what the firmware installed on the auto agent is. We can go ahead and check for updates. It's going to tell me that I have the latest version. So when there is a firmware update, there's going to be some release notes, and those are going to look like what this looks like here. And that's going to show you all of the new functions, any bug fixes. If you're a technician, you can also go through and access that through the technician side. There's a what's new, and it shows you on the auto agent what the firmware update was. So if you missed it, you want to see what's going on, you can go to what's new and take a look at that. But as far as making sure that on your vehicle you've got the latest firmware, which is a really important thing to do. So anytime you connect to it and it says there's a new firmware available, make sure you download and update your auto agent. Appreciate you stopping by. Check us out on the next video.